Hi, how you going, guys? This is just a video to how to assemble your display box that we've given you. Flat packed, that's like that. Open it up. Roll the bottom here. I suggest to put a piece of tape across here, some white tape to hold it back. Right, we've got two pieces. There's two bases here. These are one of the pieces, so you slide it in like so. So, put that inside the box. Like that. There you go. And we've got these are two spaces that you will get to. Hope you don't mind. We've recycled some old cardboard. They're the same setup. So you slide in like that, same as your cross piece, and you slide this, put these down each hole like that. That goes in each hole, and then you put your triangle shelf, which goes into like so, and you end up with a half a shelf. And we've given two of these. Now, if you like, if the shelf is too high and you want it lower, just cut down. Just cut down this part of the cardboard, and it'll make it lower. So same again. Let's put it at the back. That goes inside there, and then we'll put our lid. And end up like that. That's what we'll end up looking like. Okay, now our kite sign. What we need is you just need a screwdriver of some sort. How I've worked it out to do is in the middle, just put one hole like that, just below the lip. A hole there, and another hole, say about 10 centimetres down, 10 centimetres, like so. Right. Now I've given you a fiberglass rod too. So you pass this one through there, and you bend it and poke it in like that. So you end up with you can actually adjust this if you wanted to. From the inside, that's what you'll see. Okay, you've got that. And then unfold your kite, your high kite. Once you've done that, you will get some sticky tape, one tape piece there and another tape there, and that'll actually tape it on there, and you can just swing that around like so. So that'll be your, and like I said, you can actually adjust this up and down. And we've also given you a header card too, so it's your choice which way you want to go, that's your header card. That slides in like so. Like that, that's the same one. So, so it slides in as in, so you can either have just the kite, or you can have both if you like. So that can look like so. And that's it. Hope that helps. Thanks.